Hello everybody and welcome back to this quick tips video for ScratchJr. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an advanced joypad. We've already made the basic one in the last video, which you can see on screen. Now we're going to add a jump and a shoot button. So we do the same again. Create an extra button. This time we're going to use blue. Hopefully, there we go. That's going to be our jump button. We code it exactly the same. So we go to our start on touch button, and we go to blue. So now what we want to do is when kitten receives the blue message, we are going to do a jump. So here we go. And there you can see Kit jumping. Now we're going to add a shooting button now. So we're going to once again add another character. And it's going to be orange this time. Now, orange is orange because orange is our last colour in our send message block. So we've only got 6 functions. So depending on what else you want to do, you might not be able to do both a jump and a shoot, but hey, we'll try. Next, what we need to do is create some sort of bullet. So I'm going to just create a circle, and it's going to be black. There we go. So there is the bullet. Now, first we need to do when we're coding the bullet needs to move everywhere that the cat does. So what we will do is we will copy the code that we've created for the kitten so that it moves, so the bullet moves with them. So this is the blue one, and that was a jump if I remember rightly. This one here is the yellow one. And that is a left move. This one here is going to be a purple. This one here is going to be a red. And this one here is going to be, oh, connect it, a green. Now notice when we move on the joypad, the bullet and the cat move together. So that's really, really important. Next, what we want to do is, depending on what you're shooting at, you'll need to differ the distance it goes. So what we want to do here is use another send receive block. Just move that up so we can see. And this one is going to be orange. So when the orange button is pressed, we want the bullet to appear. It will disappear in a minute. We'll start it disappeared. We want it to move across from where it is 8, let's just say, to 18. So let's say 10. Then what we want it to do is to disappear, i.e. when it hits the object it's aiming at. And then what we want it to do is we want it to go back to its original position. Now, that's all we need it to do. So let's give that a test. Fantastic. So let's go again. Great. So there is your advanced joystick. It moves the cat up and down, and then also shoots a bullet. Hope you enjoyed that. See you next time.